Hi Stampin' friends! Tonight we're going to use the Symbols of Fortune Designer Series paper. It is one that has kind of an Asian kind of theme. It has some leaves and lotus flowers and things like that that kind of go with symbols like that. So this side is with what they actually consider the back side. This is kind of a fancy paper. It has nicely coordinated back side of the paper. It has two pieces that are definitely Calypso Coral, two pieces that are what I consider crumb cake, and two pieces that are the soft succulent. And then, but it has some other colors in it as well. What's really nice is that this piece kind of brings them all together, has all the colors on it from the back side. Then the other side is kind of the glamour side. It has gold on every sheet. So there's kind of a speckle. There is a little wispy kind of flower, like a mimosa. There's this little guy. It kind of looks like our Queen Anne's lace stamp. There's the little stork or heron or whatever he is. And then this is like a really pretty, I almost see depth in this one. It's kind of looks like a flowering tree. And then this last one is like the little lotus leaves. So the first thing that I did was imagine it with a soft succulent and the evening evergreen. And I just happened to cut this layer, and I noticed how it kind of had two of the birds on it. And then I cut another piece, which you can kind of see here. There are different pieces. This is the piece with the birds. And then this piece with the standing bird and the mountains in the background. So what I decided to do on this was just to basically make the card like this and pop this guy up on dots, up on dimensionals. And yeah, you can call me crazy if you want, because that is an awfully pretty background that I'm covering up there. But I just thought this was really pretty to kind of make those little guys kind of shine a bit there. And I can put this, the shape that I used to cut this, I can actually put this on here and not cover up the other two cranes or whatever they are. Not cover them up at all. So I like that. Also in this is this really nice soft succulent ribbon. Now this ribbon is very much like some ribbon we had in the past that was red. It is a satin shimmer, and it does have shimmer in it, but it's still pliable. It's very easy to twist and turn. So I think this one would make a nice bottom on this card right here. Then I was thinking there are a ton of different things you could do. I looked for luck sentiments, so I found a best of luck. That was actually in, let me find it here, the Honeybee Home stamp set. And so I thought that looked really kind of nice with it. And then I also did a good luck that was in the Celebration Special Moments, but it is super tiny. So you can see here, it is a little one, kind of like that, which could be cute. So just kind of some ideas on this one. So if you have a preference when I put the card together, maybe I'll use the one that the most people prefer. And I also did this thinking of you on your special day, because I thought that could be really cute as well. Just kind of, if you knew someone liked the style, then you could totally make it for them. All right, so the next one I wanted to show you is maybe the Calypso Coral. And I was thinking this would make a really cute background piece. And then you could use the large flower, this piece here. You could cut out a piece and put it on there. And of course, I would pop this up. I might even put a piece of either the soft succulent or the little evening evergreen under it, and then maybe a hope you have the best birthday. So I thought that was kind of cute. And that is actually in this celebration set, Friendly Hello, hope you have the best birthday. So that's where I found that one. So I think this would be a cute and easy one to put here, but I even think that this ribbon looks gorgeous with this. So there's a ton of ideas. Now I may think, I'm not totally sure, but I may think that this might actually highlight it best. Of course, then you can't use your pretty ribbon. But anyway, it really has, there's just a lot of choices based on what you need to send to someone. So there is that idea. Then I have one more that uses, this time we're using the gold side. So I fussy cut this and just kind of imagined what I could put behind it. So again, I had decisions to make, and I was imagining it on this shape, and then this one is taller, so I was kind of like, oh, taller, that may be better. Then I decided that this one might be better, just because I liked the shape of it with the I guess you'd say theme. So by the same token, I looked at this and was trying to consider which one I liked. And since the crane has white on it, I was kind of thinking this one. And then popping on a little best of luck like that. We do have some silver ribbon, and our silver ribbon is carrying over. I mean, our gold ribbon is carrying over. So I thought this one would probably be super gorgeous with it. This is the one that's from fall. So I just think that one looks really gorgeous with gold. So that was my thought on that one. So I used the gray here. And so I was just kind of thinking with this one that I would stamp a big, large sentiment, but I couldn't really think of one I needed. One that would be really great would be doing it for a 50th anniversary, or any anniversary, honestly. These just kind of add sparkle, so it doesn't really even matter what it's for. Gold embossed sentiments would also be super pretty. And the other thing I really want to try is just using a lot of different squares of this paper, and just kind of get variety going. Use this one, and make it into like a square design. Now this one may not be as good for that, but these ones with the really large amounts of gold would really be cute, almost like a quilt kind of a pattern. So that's the next thing that I wanted to try with that. And then I also wanted to show, let's see if I can find it, a little best of luck here, because I think that that just kind of makes a cute little sentiment as well. One other thing I wanted to show you was with this. I meant to do this. I like how this Evening Evergreen window pane ribbon looks with all of these. Especially it's surprising, I think, with this coral little camellia or whatever it is. Oh, it's not, because that's what the other one is called. Anyway, maybe it's a mum. We'll say it's a mum. That could be really cute, I think, to just kind of add a little bit more of the green and really bring it out. Then, let's see, where is the back side of that other one? And it looks great with this one as well. So I just think it's strange how nice this one looks, this ribbon looks with all of these ribbons. Now, to me, this one is one I would cut out with either a circle or a shape like I did, because it's a lot going on. But it really has a lot of image and a lot of interest as you're putting your card together. So remember, we had this, and then we did this one, like that, where we were deciding between this piece of paper and the background paper. course, that's the one that has the pretty cranes on it. So you kind of have to decide what you're going to do on that one. Woo, kind of rough. And then we had this first one with the good luck at the bottom and the little vignette kind of thing on there. It really is a lot of fun to use. So I hope that you'll find the same. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.